Hello guys, welcome to the Polar Model. Today we're going to do another CAD video. In this video we're going to be doing this drawing right here, practice number 2 on GrabCAD. So in the last video I wasn't really doing CADing as fast as I could have because I was explaining what I was doing. We're going to do things a little differently because I realized I wasn't really CADing as fast as I wanted to. And so in this video, we're gonna go through the CAD like usual. We're gonna do it together. And then after that, I'm gonna try CADing it as fast as I can. And we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. And another thing I added was this handy little timer right there. So hopefully that works. Yeah, alright, let's do this thing. So off the bat, this drawing, you can tell that the total length is 70. The total height, or the height of this little this section right here is 20, and then the height of this is 40. Again, let's just assume inches because they don't provide units, just for simplicity's sake. So then the width of this section right here is 30, and then we see that this little hole in the center has a diameter of 20, and then yeah, so those are basically the most important dimensions here. Oh, and then we see that the width here is 40. So cool. What else seems important? I think that's pretty much it for that. Like, I think we can start CADing. So we'll just make a brand new document. I can't type. Alright. So let's make a top plane. Do it in the top plane. And then I think I'm gonna do this top, draw this top view right here and then extrude it up. I think that's the simplest way to do that. So I'm gonna do a center point rectangle in the origin. And then we're gonna make this, make it 70 inches long, 40 inches wide. Oh, not 7. Very different. Did I? No, I didn't. Alright, cool. So that's that. And then we'll make that little circle thing in the center. I think that was 20. Let me check. Yep, 20. And then the distance from this edge to right there is 50. So we can do that dimension. It's pretty close. Okay. Oh, what did I just do? Check. Oh, I'm fumbling. Alright, yeah. Alright, cool. And then so now we have to draw this little section that gets extruded up. Okay, so we know that if this entire thing is 30 and then this little section right here is 20, that means that this is 10. So do a corner to corner rectangle and then it's 10. Cool. And then let's see. Right, so the distance from here to here is 20, and the distance from here to here is 40, which means this distance plus distance is 20, and then if you divide that by 2, that means this is 10 and this is 10. So make another rectangle. This is 10. Oh, no, that is not 10. This is 10. And then this is, that little part is 20. Cool. And then now I have to make this part, which, I keep doing that, which is, looks like it is the same width, so, length, sorry, I get my dimensions mixed up. Lag, yeah, cool. And then I'm going to make this a construction line. Alright, well, never mind. Okay. So, now, oh, one quick thing. Notice how these edges are rounded? Those are fillets. So, I'm just gonna do that in this sketch right here. It is 10. Alright, cool. So that looks very similar to this. Yeah, so let's just do the fun part and extrude this. Select all of these faces except that circle, and then so we know the height of this little thing is 20. So change the depth 20. And then since we have more stuff to extrude on the top, I'm going to flip it so that the top plane is on the top, so it'd be easier to extrude the rest of it. And then I'm going to show that, and then extrude that, and then this should be so that's 40 and that's 20. That means this part is also 20. Cool. So now we have that, and then you might be wondering, where is this triangle part? I'm going to do another sketch on the side here, and then all I have to do is use this point. So now it transferred from there to there, and then I make a line from here all the way to there, and that's it. So now all I need to do is extrude this inside the part, or towards the part, and then we know that that's 10. Cool. And now that I'm thinking about it, I just realized that we didn't even need to sketch this section out because we extruded it, or we did a sketch on the side plane there, so that would save me more time. So that's that. That's done. So now I'm gonna try to CAD this exact thing as fast as possible. So let me make a new part studio, and yeah, I'm just gonna make this as fast as possible. Let's get it. Alright, I'm starting the timer in 3, 2, go. Oh, I'm fumbling. Ah. Oh my god, I keep messing up the rectangles. No, I did not press. Okay. I'm panicking. Nope, 10. Nope, 10. Oh, the fumble goes hard. Oh, okay. Well, I think I did it right. Man, that was actually embarrassing. I kept fumbling those rectangles. The reason I was doing that was, as you probably noticed, I used, or I tried to use keybinds as much as I possibly can, and so I kept messing up the G and the R for the corner rectangles and the center point rectangles. So I kept, like for these rectangles especially, I kept doing, uh, like the regular center point rectangles instead of the corner rectangles. So that's where probably I could have saved a lot of time, like a couple seconds, just by doing like refining my keybinds. But yeah, so that's that. Um, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then like the video. And obviously subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.